In this video, we'll show you how to delete your recent call history on an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. This can be useful if you don't want others to see your call history, or if you just want to clear it out for yourself. Your call history includes calls from regular phone calls as well as calls from apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. To get started, open the phone app. Once inside, tap on the Recents tab at the bottom of the screen. If you're in a different section, just tap on Recents to view your call history. Here, you'll see all your recent calls. To delete specific calls, tap Edit in the top left corner, then tap Select. From there, choose the calls you want to delete. For example, you can select a call and then tap the trash can icon to remove it. If you'd like to delete all calls in your recent history, tap Clear in the top right corner, then select Clear All Recents. This will remove all of them at once. Make sure to confirm that all are selected if you're clearing everything. And that's it.